Alis na kami rin. Di ko nadala yung tablet. Ayun si Rico.
Nangit eh, bibidyo. Bidyo na nga ito, diretso. Yung mama mo. Happy Father's Day, ah. Kang, shoutout Kang. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. At sabi yan. Lista ka kamo.
Lagi covered man. I covered.
Ay, gabit mo. Busog kasing gago na yun, kaya kulit na yun eh. Wala nang gagawin niya, kundi mamulit na lang. Bye ka doon. Oh, bye ka doon. Slowly. Patingin niya natin, pira. Account first. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh. You count.
1, 2, 3.
Ganito na lang.
Gagawin pa.
1 minute.
Punta kami palengke.
Ay, gagawin kuya.
Oh, game. Come on. Oh. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Morning ka kay Dada. Morning kay Ada.
Mami, gaga.
Mama pa.
Ma. Ay, mama.
Mama, morning.
Morning, mama.
Bili kami ulam. No. Bye-bye ulam.
Nabantay sa apo niya eh. Ayan. Atong to kasi. Ito yung apo niya eh. Kang, oh. Kang. Finish na.
I got you. I got me. Naglaba ako. Katatapos ko lang naglaba.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Honey, I got your mama.
And eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose, head, shoulder, knees, and toes, knees, and toes, head, shoulder, knees, and toes, knees, and toes, head, shoulder, knees, and toes, knees, and toes, and eyes, and ears, and mouth, and nose, head, shoulder, knees, and toes. So when I'm older, I can find the world.
If I catch you.
Ah. May bruhaw, ha? Kaligo namin.
Hindi ko kayo pwedeng pilitin.
Yung suklayan niya.
Darating na ang Resma. Taylor Swift-inspired drink Grammy ay dawat this Black Saturday afternoon on GMA.
Wa!
Pagkakamon,
Wa!
para pumaroy. May Nescafe Original. May kapeng-kapeng sarap at aroma mula unang lang.
Ganda nga yun din eh. Umuwi ka para makita mo yung iba yung kulit ng anak mo. Super. Parang tatlo. Tatlo yung bata sa bahay.
Dapat syuga, dapat bineri ka.
New Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff. May tea tree oil to strengthen scalp against dandruff, aloe vera, and sunflower seed oil that nourish hair. A combined solution para tanggal dandruff.
When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems stale and dim, I wish you were real beside me, here to stay life with life to you. You're the only one that will be, who can make my dreams come true. Come my darling and embrace me, this is what you're gonna.
Happy birthday, Gaga. Oh, kaya nga, kanta kay Amy. Happy birthday, Amy. Oh, Amy, birthday ah. Oh, may birthday na nagagulo na kayo nun. Yan pala ang nahanap niya rito sa Vikings.
Let's go ang tayo, Juan.
Yan pala.
Wait, I give you one halo-halo, okay? Bababuhin mo to eh.
Sa maliit lang. Ayan, kasama na yung lola. Oh. May Jollibee pa yan. Oh. Yan pa yung ice cream. Oh. Yan yung lola niya. Oh.
Pa lang, i-asawa ka na. Okay? Sweet 16, i-asawa ka na. Okay? How many asawa? 3 asawa? You want asawa marami? How many? Only 1 or 2? Okay. Dami asawa ha? Tapos,